Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want ramen. So today I'm gonna make a Tukemen, the dipping style ramen. So I make a dipping sauce. It's pork, thin sliced pork. I'm gonna use it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's start cooking. Okay, I'm making dashi, basic stock. So already boiled 3 minutes. Hot boiling water. Tukemen. So this one is about 1 liter hot boiling water. Shabushabu. This. Clean dashi. Okay, ramen dipping sauce. It's a dashi made from kombu and shabushabu and the switch high flame. And thin sliced pork, belly side, butabara. I'm just putting 1 slice of garlic and 1 slice of ginger and chili pepper. So this is the mirin. White soy sauce, shiro dashi. Soy sauce. Secret seasoning, naan-pura. This is let me check taste. Good taste. So this is the negi oil. 15 cc. Sesame seed. Long leaf. Again. Good flavor. Kind more shiro dashi, real strong, rich flavor. little more soy sauce. Just a little bit. Okay. Just adjust the taste. Okay, perfect. Dipping soup is done. Okay, boiled ramen. Beautiful. Cooling down. Homemade chashu. Half boiled tamago. I'm just boiled 8 minutes. Half boiled tamago. Okay. And shabu-shabu meat. Gorgeous. Mitsuba, this one. Buta shabu, Tukemen, original. How about taste? いただきます。Oh, so good, delicious. I love it. Dipping noodle, ramen. Yes. So good. Thin sliced pork, shabu shabu. I like this kind of style. Tukemen ramen. Good for the hot season, summer. Good flavor. So, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.